What's up, everybody? Give me a few seconds. I'm just getting some stuff set up, man. I'll be right with y'all. All right, guys, I'm going to do a mic check real quick before we get started. Let some people get in here, and we will be rocking soon. Let me pull this up. What's up, Ernesto? Good to see you, man. I thought about you today, man. I was going to hit you up. I ain't seen you in a while. What's happening, KC? Hey, yo, sounds like your AC is blowing hard. Yeah, I got a fan going in here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn that down, Kappa. All right, man. Got that taken care of. Get the video going, get that set up, and give me a few seconds. I'm gonna get a tweet out, and we'll be rocking, man. Let me set this up real quick. Might have a guest coming on tonight. I'm not sure. Wasn't verified yet, but I'll let y'all guys know as soon as I know something. Let me send them an invite real quick. Copy that link. We'll get started real quick, but nice to see everyone been busy this weekend. Got back home, my downstairs. Dang, man, that sucks, dude. Yeah, we had some pretty bad weather here with that tropical storm too, man. So I hope y'all were good. Yeah, man, been super busy, dude. Me too, man. I hope everybody out there had a great Father's Day, man. First and foremost, because I had a great day, man. Just chilled at home, hung out with the kids, and just kind of did some research, man. Kind of give y'all a feel about the week. We'll look at some stocks, look at some cryptos. Also, I have the Discord open, so if you guys want to hop in here and speak your mind, feel free. Just let me know if y'all guys want to come in. I'll send you an invite, and we can all talk some stocks and crypto, man. But right now, crypto's getting pretty beat up, man. Ethereum, hanging in there. Doge is getting really beat up. Back to 26 cents, man. So let's go to 5-minute chart. Check this out. In a real hard downward trend right here. Topped off, couldn't hold this support right here. Ended up falling back. So this week might be a pretty bloody week for crypto, man. hopefully we're finding the floor somewhere in this area between where we're at here and 25 cents. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. So we'll just have to see how it plays out, man. I currently have some Ethereum sitting at right around 2,300. I bought the other day. I'm negative on it. I'm just waiting for a nice little pop back on it. So I'm hoping crypto returns this week, man. I really do. I hope we have a nice little bounce back because we need it, man. Because it's just been getting destroyed across the board, man. Bitcoin down to 35, about to hit 34. So another thing to keep your eye on for this week. But Microvision should have a nice little pop come Monday, man. I mean, you got beat down real hard. I'm expecting a nice little pop, probably a 10 to 15% move tomorrow. I don't know why my chart's doing that. So I'll be waking up pre-market. Why's my chart acting funny? Anyway, I'll be waking up pre-market to keep my eye on Microvision, which is 4 a.m. my time, Central Time. And definitely keep my eye on that to see what's going on there. GameStop should have a nice little pop. I think all the meme stocks tomorrow are actually going to have some nice little movement, guys. Along with costs, Microvision, AMC, GameStop. I mean, BlackBerry. I think BlackBerry will have a nice, decent little pop. Along with AMC, bro, because this is where all the call options expired in the money at, dude. 41 million shares, man. So I'm expecting a huge move on AMC tomorrow. I think we'll go back to touch somewhere in the $70 range, man. I mean, I don't see how they can contain it down, dude. We'll see what happens. Nobody has a crystal ball, but mathematically, this thing should shoot up. And once it shoots up, all the other options that are in the money are going to have to be hedged for by the market makers. And it's going to keep driving the price up and up and up, dude. So we'll see how that goes, man. It's absolutely bullish to the T for AMC come Monday, man. So we'll have to see how this plays out. But nah, man, the vacation went good, dude. I missed you in the stream last night. It's good to be back. It was good to get away for a week and kind of just refresh my brain, dude, and not have to worry about stocks, crypto. Even though I did look at it from time to time, it was nice not to have my phone glued to my face. You know what I'm saying? So I actually had a really good time on vacation, and it was really relaxing, man. They're saying the Doge card crashed, so it's Doge itself crashing. Nah, man. Just the stuff these people come up with, man. I'm not buying into that. I mean, Doge is kind of crashing, but um, I'm still very bullish on it, dude. And y'all been keeping up with me for a while now. You know what I'm saying. Now is the time you buy the dips, man. It's just whenever crypto starts to come back from this downward trend we've been in, dude, that's when it's gonna start to pop, man. That is when it's gonna start to pop. So, like I said, guys, remember we got the Discord open. If y'all guys want to come in here and chat, just let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and send something out real quick and get this thing rolling. Let me put this out. Doge Father is trending. Let's send that out. Let me send this message to this dude and see if he wants to come on because I want to talk some crypto with him, man. Want to talk some crypto with him. Give me 1 second. Let me pause the screen real quick. Let me shoot this message to him. I'm live now. All right, I sent the dude the message. Let's see if he gets back to me. Let me hop back in the chat, see what's going on. So this coming up week, just keep your eye on Microvision, man. I think she's gonna be the one to pop really hard tomorrow. I think you'll have a 10% day on Microvision tomorrow. I mean, she got beat down really freaking hard on Friday, and I do think we'll have a nice little bounce. Probably head back to the $20 range to go and test that 200 moving day average, if not break through that. And I'm looking at the 5-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute. So you can see right here, still $20.92. I think we'll go back, form a maybe a little cup and handle forming right here. Who knows? But I think Monday we're gonna look to head back and head toward that $20 range, man. Ray Sun G, what's happening, brother? Good to see you in the chat, man. Actually gonna get Snowman in here. He me and him did a little thing last night. Like I said, if you guys want to hop on, y'all just let me know. Let's see if I got this set up right. Oh, he's in there. Let me see if he can hear me. Snowman, you can hear me? See if I got my audio correct. I'm all over the place tonight, guys. I was trying to, I had a lot going on, man. I was trying to rush up, hurry up and hop on. Not too much going on in the crypto space, man. It's just looking dead right now. Sentiment's probably going to head back low. Dogecoin could possibly head back to 25. If we don't hold that, let's see on the 4-hour chart where she could possibly head to. Yeah, I mean, we have some support at 24 cents and then that 19 where we saw that hard bounce. But I'm not concerned about it at all, man. Will it come back? Of course it will. It'll definitely be on the uptrend. I'm thinking, I've been saying late June, early July. I'm still hoping for early July. I mean, I know we're starting to enter into the end of June right here, and things aren't looking too hot, man. They're really not. And a lot of people were talking about a Bitcoin crash before everything starts to come back, which is possible, man. You can't lay it off the table. You can't take it off, but I do think Bitcoin might go back to test 29,000 again. And if we don't hold that, man, Bitcoin could potentially drop to 24K. So we'll just have to see how that goes, man. Let's see. So let's check out some Ethereum, man, because I bought some Ethereum. I'll let everybody know in the Discord. We got strong support 1731. I think if you hit that right there, there's going to be massive amounts of buying. Currently, right now in the RSI, you're 42, so you're kind of in the mid range right now. So I just kind of hope everything starts to pop back for this week, man. I'm hoping by Wednesday we'll be hitting some highs for the week before we start to bleed down like we do every single freaking weekend, man. And if you like me, man, I'm tired of talking about dips. Like, it's really just crazy, man. I'm holding 2,000 Doge. You actually holding 2,000 Dogecoin or just $2,000 in it? Either way, man, anything you have in Doge is going to $1, man. I mean, just the fundamental uses for Dogecoin is just, it's just going through a slump right now. All of crypto is going through it. So, look, if it was just Dogecoin and not Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all the major coins, pretty much any coin on the market right now, I would have cause for concern. But honestly, all they're doing right now is giving you the best buying opportunity you're going to see for a while, man. And it might hang around for a little bit, but that's actually best for the retail investors, the guys that get paid 40-hour check weeks, that get paid every Friday, because you can add on a little bit each and every Friday. And when everything's set up, it's going to be looking nice, man. It's going to be looking freaking nice. Check out GameStop. See what we're looking at. I mean, all the meme stocks are just set to explode, man. Now, GameStop has been a little quiet. See, AMC, you see it's high at 514. Didn't quite do what AMC did. And if y'all remember that video I did with Houston, we talked about AMC possibly going first, and it did, man. It absolutely did that. And I mean, look at that spike back in January to right now. So GameStop, I don't think is done in the least bit, dude. GameStop is still heavily shorted stock. The shorts have not covered, dude, and a lot of people understand this, and they're not leaving until the shorts actually cover their positions, man. And things are gearing up, and they're getting really freaking juicy right now. 2K coins, dude. That's what's up, man. It's gonna treat you extremely well, dude. And as of right now, I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, but what I'm doing is when I get paid weekly, I'm adding on to my positions whenever I can. Say like if you're in Doge, Ethereum, whichever ones you're in, whichever one is lowest that week, I would kind of look to add to that coin just so whatever one is as lowest price point. Because Ethereum, like I bought some the other day at 23. If it doesn't get back to 23 before it takes a hard dip, I'll just buy some more down here. And I'm not concerned about it because a couple months Ethereum's going to be blowing up anyway. So that's just how I feel about it. So let's go back over here. Let's take a look across the board, man. Friday was just bad for everything. Microvision, Naked should pop. Have a pretty good pop come Monday too. Funko down, cost down. I mean, it was just red across the board, man. And some of that might have been correlated with the inflation data that came out, but nonetheless, that's not going to affect the short term on AMC and all the meme stocks. So Bitcoin finally crossed under 35,000. Dude, it's not looking good. We might go back to retest the double bottom right here at 31,000, and hopefully not retest 29,000 because that is not what we're looking for. What do you think of VET? I don't have a position in VET, dude, but I think it'll treat you well in the long term, man. I really do, man. I'm big on VeChain. I think VeChain is gonna return. You can get 100% on VeChain easily, man. I think when crypto comes back, and along with a lot of other stocks, like if you're playing stocks for Bitcoin, I've been talking a lot about Mara, and rightfully so. Mara's probably gonna have a real red day tomorrow, being that Bitcoin's under 35,000. So if you short stocks, I mean, you could probably look to short this right here. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, and probably make some decent money. But I don't short stuff. So this is probably take a little hit, along with Riot Blockchain, which I've been talking about this stock a little bit too, and it has popped since we talked about it. I think we're talking about it somewhere back in here, and it did have a nice little run up. But with Bitcoin doing what it's doing, I think we're gonna have a little fallout come this week. Then Collins, I was able to ride ADA and VET into more Bitcoin. Timely move for my Bitcoin switch. Awesome, man. I'm a big believer in ADA, dude. I like what ADA does, and that's why I invest in them. So I will be holding my ADA long term, and I think ADA is actually loaded up. I think the astronauts are in the rocket ship, it's fueled up, they're in the seatbelt, they're just waiting for liftoff, man. So I'm actually very, very bullish on ADA long term. VeChain is VET. Yeah, man. I know that's what you were saying. I'm just saying, like, I believe VeChain will treat you extremely well, my brother. I really do, man. And if you can get VeChain around 12 cents or under, I mean, dude, you're sitting freaking beautiful. Because I think the high was around 28 cents. I can't look it up on here. I can pull it up on Coin Market Cap. Let's see. VeChain price. Let's look that up. See the current price. What is this? 9 cents. So I don't know why it's moving slow right now. But dude, anything under 12 to me right here is a really good buy on VeChain. You could probably get a little bit cheaper the way crypto is looking right now at the moment. So but nonetheless, if you add new VeChain right now, definitely a good play in my opinion, man. And that's all it is. My opinion. Let's pop back to Doge, 26.6 right now. Let's check the 5 minute. Yep, still getting beat down. I love ADA. I still have 10K, but I'm worried about the downtrend. I know Bitcoin will hold up better when things are bad. I can always get back more ADA. Future is bright. Future is very bright for ADA, man. And there's talks of $5, $10 ADA at the end of the year, and I firmly believe that, man. I really truly do. Now for Doge, I mean, probably go back to test 26 cents here. If we don't hold that, we'll go back to test 25.55. So if we break that, it's pretty much down from there, probably at 20 cents, if not 19. So just keep your eye on it, man. It might be a good if you're looking to buy, it might be a good time to hold off to see if you hold these levels of support and then play it for a bounce, you know. So nonetheless, we'll have to see. Ray Sun G, great channel though. Hey man, I appreciate it, man. I started the channel. I started trading 8-10 years ago. Kind of got away from it for a while, but I started trading just to pay for my lunch every day, man. And I was day trading basically, making 10-20 bucks a day. And I realized, man, I'm pretty good at buying a dip and selling the rip. So I started making some plays, dude. Found out I was pretty good at it, and I wanted to help people out. So here I am, man. That's pretty much my story about how I got started on YouTube, man. And we found a pretty great community. So Ray, if you're not part of the Discord, man, I got a link in the box below. Make sure to check that out, man, and hop in there. And I'll eventually have it more coordinated in the Discord, but I pretty much just spit out my plays, tell people what I'm doing, and let them make their own decisions accordingly. So, but I don't think there's any news potentially too much out on Dogecoin. I heard a lot of people talking about Elon Musk, like why is he not tweeting about it right now? He's probably just sitting back and relaxing, letting everything play itself out, and you'll start to hear some more news from him come shortly, man. I mean, I'm currently still waiting on the Tesla news, man. We reported the Coinbase listing news right before it happened again, like because there was like a 3-week span where people weren't talking about it, and I was like, man, don't forget, it's coming up. It didn't quite have the run up that I expected because the way they did it was so freaking sneaky, man. So, but nonetheless, the Tesla news should absolutely explode Dogecoin as soon as it comes out, man. And that is what I'm waiting for. And I do think it'll turn around a lot of crypto as a whole, man, because just say he comes out Bitcoin at the same time. Like say they fix their little their mining stuff they got going on, and Bitcoin, they're like, okay, we'll accept Bitcoin again, but we're also accepting Doge. Just another way maybe it could play out. Who knows? Because they did say they're not they would accept Bitcoin if they could fix their the way they mine it. So it's definitely still in the play there too. But I mean, it's just everything's looking bearish right now, guys. Everything is looking bearish. I mean, we can't even get back to retest that 200-day moving average. So just currently waiting on that. Let me get this out real quick. Give me 1 second. I just got a text. One second. Get that set up. What's up, Brian? Cheers, brother. Matic, Mana, AMP, Anchor, Back, Shiba, UBIX, dude. That's not a bad portfolio, man. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're taking hits on all that, but Matic, I think you'll make money on. AMP, we got a few people in our Discord that are actually playing that. They were talking about they made a couple bucks on it. So Anchor, someone asked me about that last night. I didn't get too much in depth to it today, being it was Father's Day. I really didn't do too much. I kind of hung around the house, cut the grass, and just kind of chilled out. But I think there's a lot of hype, a lot of talk about Anchor right now. So probably make some money on it. Ben Collins asking chances of retest on 20K. 20K Bitcoin, dude, it's possible, man. It's I wouldn't pull up the 4-hour chart. Chances of it, there's a good chance, man. I mean, we'll have to see. This week is going to be a major roll because you have all the call options for Ethereum. That's going to be a make or break tail because 2200 you want to close above Ethereum to have a nice little pop. 2100 the puts print. So right now you kind of trading in between those two fine lines. So I expect the week we're gonna kind of trade between those two lines. But if we don't finish above 2200 on Ethereum, I think that's really gonna hurt the market as a whole, along with Bitcoin. So definitely keep a big eye on Ethereum. They have 1.5 billion dollars worth of options expiring June 25th, and if we close above 2200, it's going to be absolutely great for Ethereum. And maybe that could be something that all the options across the board get expired in the money, could start to lift crypto back upwards to where we need to go. So Ben Collins says, I just subscribed. Happy to help out.
Hey, you there?
Man, I really appreciate you, Ben. And make sure to join that Discord too, man, if you can. We're always in there talking crypto, dude. And that's how I keep in touch with people throughout the day. We kind of talk about plays that, if you're working, you're not really paying attention. I'm going to also get alerts set up to where people know what's going on in the market. And eventually I'll get buying signals and stuff like that. But pretty much right now I'm just tweeting stuff out and getting it to everybody. So let me see this. It's not too much going on, man. I just kind of wanted to touch base with everybody. Let them know about BlackBerry tomorrow. Should have a good little pop. All the meme stocks, if you're playing stocks, should have a nice little run up. So you could almost wake up pre-market tomorrow, like I will be doing, 4 a.m. Central Time. And I'll be putting some money into AMC because I think AMC is going to have a nice little pop come first thing in the morning, man. Pre-market to market open. Market open always tends to bleed off a little bit. But the FOMO and the hype coming into this thing, man, I really think you could hit up north to go and retest 70 to 72 bucks. And if we have a great day, which we should with all the call options that expired in the money, you should go back to retest 77,000, man. $77. One day, 77,000. Mouth is dry after talking so much. Wait on Snowman.
Hey,
I got him in the
you there, Matt?
Discord. Waiting for the dude to get on.
You there,
Anybody
man?
else wants to hop on right now and just kind of chat? We'll do a Sunday night chat. And you're more than welcome. Just let me know in the chat and I will send you an invite.
Are you there?
Let's check out the crypto fear and greed index because I want to see what that thing was doing. So kind of went down a little bit. So extreme fear right now, 23. The lower it goes, the more fear there is. So you see the little dial indicator right there. So it's actually not, it's actually coming up, which I expect tomorrow's update to bring it down quite a bit. Unless crypto starts to pop again. You got it,
You
Kappa.
there, Matt?
Sunday podcast, man. Kappa, did you ever buy into AMC, man? But there's the big number right
You there,
there.
Matt?
411,790 expired on June 18th. And we would have had an extra 33,453 if we closed above 60, which we didn't, but that's not a big concern. Last quadruple witching date, I think that number was around 152,000, I believe, if my memory is correct. So we're currently sitting more than double that. So, dude, very bullish indeed, man. So I'll be, like I said, I'll be waking up pre-market just to throw a little bit at AMC to help the calls, because I do think even at that, buying at 59 bucks, I do believe I'm gonna get a nice return on my cash, man. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that, Kappa. I really am, dude. You hear him on the Discord? Give me a second. Let me see where he's at. Snowman, you can hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Nah, I can't hear you, bro. I don't know what was going on.
Oh, okay.
How long you were talking?
Yeah. I was just trying to get in and I couldn't get in.
Yeah. Man, last night went good, dude. The algorithm apparently liked us quite a bit, dude. That video we did got 1,000 views, so it was nice to see sentiment kind of returning to everything. Whether it be that I was on vacation for a week and finally did a video, who knows, man. But nonetheless, we got some good information out to everybody last night, man. So I appreciate you very much.
Yeah, I thank you for the opportunity to get to talk to, put my voice out there and let people hear it, and I appreciate that opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, man, that's why I like doing these open discords. Like I said, for anybody who wants to hop in and talk, feel free. You don't have to be mic shy, man. We're just a couple regular guys in here talking. I like to give people the opportunity to ask questions. I like to interact with the community because I feel like I could go do pre-recorded videos and yeah, I could put out some good information, but I'm not as in touch with everybody like having a one-on-one conversation, like talking with the chat and interacting with everybody. I just feel like I'm it's more helpful if you do these live streams where you can actually talk to people, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Bouncing opinions is, that's one thing about YouTubers. Some of the ones I like to watch when there's more than one person there. Then you get, ideas bouncing in multiple directions.
Yeah, especially with all the dips that we've been having, dude. Like I said last night, it's just it gets boring talking about these freaking dips, man. I mean, there's only so many times you can tell people, hey, I'm adding to my position on these dips, which to me I'm excited for, but to a new investor, he's like, like, man, this stuff keeps dipping. Like, what's going on, man? You know?
Yeah, I went back and watched part of yesterday's um, live stream. My wife wanted to see it, so I watched a little bit of it with her. And yeah, I mean, that's good information. I mean, you're not pumping, you're trying to help people understand your position and, create open thinking for others to, you know, hopefully expand their research, find good places to dig in because there's just too much to research for one person.
Yeah, man. I mean, it takes a community worth of people to figure out everything. Like even Kappa just made a point. The reason the prices are dropping is because China is closing down miners. And I saw the reports today on the news, man. And they're turning off computers in China. But what's happening is those miners are actually leaving the country. So whether they come to the US, wherever they go, I think they'll be back online very shortly. I just think it's messed up what China's actually doing, man. Um, Snowman, you've been in crypto longer than I have. Do you remember reports last time China did this? Did they actually shut down miners in the country, or do you recall that?
So if you look back about once a month for the past, I don't know, since before I got into crypto, China's banning something, removing something, adopting something. I mean, it's ridiculous. When you see China, just ignore it. Just don't even. It's just all FUD. Just when you see an article and it says China having to do with crypto, just they're not in this country. Nothing to do with us. Yes, it has something to do with the blockchain and crypto and all that, and it can affect us here. Yeah, I get that. But all they want to do is hurt the market over there. When you see them in an article, just ignore it. It'd be best.
Yeah, because what these big wigs do is they take any piece of FUD they can to drop the price down, manipulate it, try to scare people out of their money, and they're just buying back in lower, And it's really sad, man, that a lot of new investors that they see their profits drop by 40%, they hop out and they'll be the same people buying Dogecoin back at 40 to 60 cents when everything starts running again, man. And that's what I don't want to see for the people that follow me because I mean if you do believe in Doge long term, the uses that it has, I mean look at all the backing that we have. To think that Doge is not going to eventually be above $1, I mean, if that's what you think, that's what you think. But what you can do is take a $10 bill out your wallet, or even take $1 out your wallet, and think how fast that's going to actually turn into $10 before, say, if you invest in crypto like ADA per se, which one do you think would turn into $10 quicker? My bet would be with ADA, and along with cryptocurrency as a whole, because over the past couple years, crypto has just been steady growth, man. I mean, it's just been really freaking nice, dude. And when you have these pullbacks, man, to me, it just signifies great buying opportunities for your next bull cycle, man. But I don't think this bull cycle is over with. And I really think moving toward the end of the year, you'll start seeing some of these great numbers that everybody's been talking about, being Bitcoin 100,000, Ethereum possibly 10,000, ADA $5 to $10. I do think that's still coming, man. It's hard. Nobody can pinpoint a date or a time when everything's going to start really moving, but I do think it's going to happen this year, and that's why I'm preaching that I'm adding on every dip I possibly can, because when this thing sets to explode, man, that's going to be some nice freaking profits for everybody, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of guaranteed that crypto is going to, have another cycle to it, just because of the fact that you have Cardano coming with smart contracts, you have Ethereum coming with 2.0, you got massive development in the NFT market. I mean, now you got all these celebrities wanting to get in that are pumping cryptos. I mean, it's going to happen this year. I mean, you can see the sentiment. You can feel the sentiment. So, and the thing you guys just said about China, I'd like to address that real quick too, if I could. When you hear the news talking about China and that sentiment I was just telling you, just ignore it. I mean, that's serious. And this is why, because every time our government talks about banning crypto or regulating crypto, it only furthers the separation between the private sector and the government. Because every time they start bashing Bitcoin, they're talking about inflation and printing money and giving money away. There's tons of scandals out here and conspiracies around government money, but yet we want the actual criminals to regulate the free world money, the money that's going to regulate the government. So I'm saying this because to back up what I was saying yesterday about Matic and why I won't invest in it, and saying these particular things right now. Now you got Mark Cuban coming out saying because he got, a rug pull on him is the words they're using.
That's what he was saying, man.
He probably wasn't even involved in this project. It's probably a total lie. You can call me crazy if you want, but this is how they do things. And even if he did get a rug pull, do you think it's the only one that's ever happened to him?
No.
And why doesn't he tell us all of those? So once he's telling us this, he led right into, because of this happening to him, we need government regulation. So don't think we need government regulation. Government can't stop Bitcoin. And Bitcoin can regulate the government so that people have a look into where our money is going if they were to use it right. And it's very easy. They got the smartest people in the world working for them. They got all the money in the world because all they got to do is print more if they run out. They can build these systems and they don't. And they won't. Why? Because transparency is not something that can come from our government to us. Because then it presents accountability.
Yeah, which I don't think they want no part of that. But
no, accountability is something that doesn't exist in this country. It's incentivized. And those that try to do well, stay in between the lines, they're the ones that always have a watchful eye on them. And it's ridiculous how it happens that way.
Let's see. Checking my messages real quick.
I mean, it's just important to pay attention to like the power that people have, the power that the government stole from us. And this is the opportunity to do your research and learn the importance of crypto and what cryptos can do. Fix a lot of these conspiracies I have.
So anything other than Doge and ADA? Have you been adding anything else to your portfolio recently?
Go, OMG.
OMG.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than Doge and ADA, I've just been adding some Ethereum, man. Just kind of waiting for everything to pop back.
I added a bunch of OMG, Qcoin, picked up a little more Decentraland. I kind of went with those for now. There's a lot of other ones I picked up, but
Didn't you own some BNB like back in the day?
yeah, I bought BNB at like $15 and sold it at 32, and
Oh, so you
then
doubled your
got
money.
yeah, and then I got disgusted with Binance when they delisted U.S. users, and then went right into opening up another exchange like a couple weeks, not even a month later, where they could have just opened that exchange beforehand and let us transfer our funds over instead of having to cash everything out at a loss, mess with the tax structure of your portfolio to then only get back in. It was a mess, man, and that just ticked me off. I mean, I'm sure CZ is a nice guy. He's really smart. I'll tell you that. But that just goes to show that they didn't care about the user.
Yeah. KuCoin's interesting to me. I think it could do something like what BNB did, being that you were purchasing BNB at $15. I think the last time I checked the price, let me see what it is right now.
Yeah, I had like 1,000 BNB at $15. Sold it at 32. I wish I'd have held it, but
Binance
once I
Coin
moved it
is
all
sitting
around,
at $331. But no one could ever know what it's going to do, man. But KuCoin has the possibility to do that in the long term, man. So I
oh yes,
completely understand why you buying it, why you holding that, man. Because long term, KuCoin could do something close to what BNB did, man.
KuCoin is extremely undervalued for what it provides.
You're not purchasing no Crow coin right now, huh?
What's KuCoin?
That's off of let me see what the top of my head. I'm looking it up on the price thing right now.
What is it?
That's the coin off of it's not KuCoin. Watch, let me pull it up. I had a buddy says he was investing in it. I never really got into it, man. It's on one of them coin no. It's off of one of them trader accounts, dude. I forgot which one it is. But some people are talking about it could do the same thing as KuCoin eventually.
No, never heard of it, man. Sorry. Oh, you talking about CRO, like crypto.com coin?
Yeah, it's crypto.com. I don't know why, dude. My mind
Oh,
drew a
yeah.
blank. I couldn't think about it.
I was thinking of an actual crow.
No, dude. Hey, I just found they do have a crow coin, an actual crow.
Yeah, I figured they probably do because,
It's crazy, man.
yeah,
The amount of
yeah.
cryptos out there.
So, yeah. um, I don't mess with CRO because that's like, the group of people I don't like being around. And it's like you just talked about BNB. Yeah, I mean, it'd be great if I had all that. It'd been nice. But, I moved on to other things that maybe didn't do as much yet that could do a lot more. So, it's about, for me, putting my money where my mouth is and no regrets. So when somebody does something like CZ did, and they, basically United States, you gotta, get your coins off of our site. And you know how crypto moves and how the markets are. And then like a month later, there's a whole nother exchange provided for US users.
Dude,
You know,
what's interesting? This crow coin I just popped up. Back in February, it was trading at $2,400 a coin, and it's now $30.93. It's pretty funny the shit you find when you're looking up something else, huh?
yeah. All roads lead somewhere.
Almost $2,500 in February 2021, dude.
Oh,
And
no,
I've never heard
never
of this
looked
going.
at it.
I've never heard of it, dude. Actually, I'm putting this on my little list, dude, because I want to find out why it went down so much.
I was an MCO for a while, and then I got out of that.
Oh yeah.
And I don't know what the relation is between these two, so I don't know. I like along that lines. Here, I'll tell you another one. Along that lines, and I don't know where this project is. I haven't checked up on them in probably, I don't know, almost a year now, probably. But the wallet's still there, still active. I check that like once a month, and it's still earning rewards. It's it's a crypto debit card, just like CRO is, and it has it's gonna have like an AI tradable bot to it. So when you spend your money, you go to swipe your crypto on a fiat machine, it'll randomly select, you know, itself the the best choice of your holdings to use at that moment for that purchase.
Yeah.
So you don't have to go in and like, you're trying to scan through and see which one's up at the moment. What coin in your bag is up at the moment to be able to, use some and make a purchase. Where the bot can just automatically do that for you real quick.
Barrett just posted in the chat. He said professional basketball players in Canada will be given the option to receive a portion of their salary in Bitcoin following a partnership with the cryptocurrency company BitBuy. Let me check that out real quick. BitBuy.
I like BitPay.
Yep, one day ago, basketball players in Canada can now be paid in Bitcoin. That's cool, man.
Hey, who wrote the article?
Bitcoin news.
Bitcoin news.
That's what it says, man.
All right.
Bitcoin news. I'm gonna definitely read the article after we get out of here.
Yeah, so I like that coin. It was Amon was the debit card.
Uh huh.
Amon. AMN is the ticker symbol.
What is it?
AMON. AMON.
Let's see what it's at. Amon. Uh, 0.004044. Not even a penny.
No, it's not even a penny. Yeah, that's it.
It got up to 6 cents back in 2018.
That was when the ICO was released.
I never did anything since then. Just bled off.
Nope. It's one that has never moved since the big dump off. 17, 18.
Would say it moved a little bit in April. I mean, it did a little bit, but never even quite got to a penny. You know? Do you still hold this?
Yeah.
So it operates on the Ethereum platform.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you can buy it. I don't think US investors can buy it. So like to get into it, you'd have to have a VPN.
Which is extremely risky. You can lose everything, but
Yeah, exactly.
you know, just be careful with that. Doge's still on downtrend right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I have it. It's sitting in a wallet, staked, it's sitting there for a couple of years. I haven't been able to dollar cost average on it. I got some Ethereum sitting there. I had like 3 Ethereum sitting in the wallet with it. I thought about being it's already in there, moving it on it. But I just haven't.
Like swapping it for it?
Yeah, in the wallet so I can earn the rewards.
Yeah. So you should be earning pretty good rewards on your ADA too, huh?
Yeah, my ADA is doing well, very well. Very happy with the stake pool I'm with. I got it staked in Deadliest Wallet and Roy.
Oh, I got you. Yeah,
I'm waiting for
I'm gonna be staking my ADA.
Yeah, get Deadliest downloaded, man.
Yep.
Get you a nice computer for it. You don't need no big, bad, powerful computer, but don't use an old clunky piece of junk.
Dude, Bitcoin was looking a little bullish on the 5-minute, but we're currently crossing over that 200-day moving, and just steady getting beat down, man. $33,000 was the low between yesterday. So I think we still got some room to go down, man. Which is probably what a lot of people don't want to hear, but it's just realistic, man.
Yeah, I don't see anybody screaming and cussing, swearing, and hating everybody yet. So we're not there yet.
It's getting close, man. It's getting close.
Yeah, I mean, to answer your question on accumulating, it's kind of hard to keep accumulating now. I accumulated a lot in the bear market. So right now, I'm just kind of waiting.
I saw a picture the other day. It was like, where you guys keep getting all this money to keep buying the dips? I was like, man, it's the way it goes right now, man.
I mean, I try to buy crypto no matter what. I really don't look at the price. But every time I have, spare money, I'm not putting that in the bank. Most of that goes into crypto. Most of the time, I'll put it on a USDT and I'll just let it keep adding up for a few months. And then I'll have a nice big chunk. I can take that and move on to something, when I can wait for a good opportunity. Like right now, I'm waiting for an opportunity to pick up Bitcoin, but I'm not going to touch it until it's at least under 25.
Which
And that's just
could be
me.
possible, man.
Yeah, if it don't happen, oh well. It's just I hear a lot of people saying 20s, teens. So it's probably going to be pretty quick, but at least would rather catch it on the downside. So that way, if I get another chance, I can catch a little bit more.
Yeah,
I'm
because
waiting to catch some
it'll
on the
definitely
upside.
be a quick drop, I think, man. I mean, you start seeing 20 Bitcoin, dude. That's gonna get bought up super fast, man.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are going to get occupied around now to 4th of July with all that happening. You have a lot of political stuff happening right now. The virus being exposed and all these audits happening all over the place. I mean, those guys that are covering these audits in Arizona and Georgia and Michigan, man, they got like 8 to 10,000 people in every live stream, 15, 20,000 people. So, I mean, a lot of people are focused on this other stuff right now, but watching that, they're learning about crypto because crypto's all in the news. I saw somebody the other day who hates cryptocurrencies, and he saw a little Bitcoin sticker I have on my phone. And he says, all I keep hearing about is that daggone Bitcoin in the news. I'm getting tired of hearing about it. You can't turn on the news without hearing something about Bitcoin. I said, oh, really? Thanks for the sentiment. I appreciate it.
Bulldog Trading is in the house, man. What's happening, brother? Good to see you in the chat, man. Said I swung ADA from 133 to 139 early this morning. And Bear saying Coinbase co-founder issues serious crypto price warning as Bitcoin death cross fear spreads. Which could correlate, dude. You could see Bitcoin, like we're talking about, head back to I think the next level of support is around 24,000. Let's go to 4-hour chart. So if we go back, if we can't hold these levels of support, we go up to touch 31,000. We'll possibly go back to retest 29. If we don't hold that, you'll see that 24,000 dip. Now there's talks of an even harder dip than that, which, I mean, is it possible? Anything's possible right now. I mean, everything's looking pretty bearish, but I mean, I still think this bull cycle isn't finished yet. I just think the market as a whole is getting unpredictable for the whales, so they're flushing it before we continue this roll on for the rest of the year. We'll just have to see how it plays out. Nonetheless, though, we'll be here reporting it. I'm still adding whenever I
I'm
can. On
looking at the chat here, man. I like what the chat's doing.
What's that?
That's cool.
Oh, you see RW? Snowman, have you heard the rumors going around about Trump being... Yeah, man, we all heard about that.
There's so much going on, guys. It's not even funny.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on. It goes a lot deeper than stocks and crypto, that's for damn sure.
Well, this is something about crypto. So when I first got started into crypto, I was trying to start a team, and so I was trying to write it all out and go over it with a few people to show them kind of what I was thinking, to get some advice on how to finagle this, a little business I wanted to do with crypto. And the people I was talking to kept getting frustrated with me because they said, I can't keep listening if all you want to talk about is politics. And I said, well, this is kind of the importance of crypto, though. And they said, yeah, but I'm not here to listen to politics. I said, but I'm not really talking politics. I'm kind of talking the need for crypto. Clean up our politics.
Yeah,
And
man.
they didn't understand that. You know, of course, they didn't understand or don't know crypto. You know, these are business people, you know, that were interested. And I kind of was trying to teach them what cryptocurrency is, like what it can do. Because there's really nothing to tell them, like, okay, well, here, you download this app, you put it in your pocket, and this is what you start doing. You know, it's not quite that easy. So crypto is politics. Everything that surrounds it's about our life, about fixing things, making things better, if we do it right.
Yeah, dude.
And pay attention.
Bulldog Trading said he bought Bitcoin at 200, watched it go to 2,000 and back to $102. It can dip all right. Dude, you're not freaking lying, man. And for anybody that doesn't know who he is, Bulldog Trading actually has a YouTube channel. I was actually crashing his chat earlier and his mods locked me out. I thought it was pretty funny, but for anybody looking for another channel, make sure to check him out. He has a pretty cool setup. He's streaming 24/7. I believe he talks stocks and crypto, so everybody check him out for sure.
Hey, why did they Section 230 your ass, man?
What you talking about?
That's not right. Somebody blocked you out of a chat?
Oh yeah, well you have mods in the chats, and yeah, they can block your ass out, man. I got blocked out of a few chats today, man. I was just kind of like not really spamming them, but I was just hopping in, gathering sentiment, seeing what people were talking about, just kind of gathering information from here and there, and kind of piecing my own opinion about what's going on in the market right now, you know.
Okay, so that's not right, guys. You know, anybody listening that's got a channel that does that, stop doing that. You can't take somebody else's opinion by you being out there giving content to people. Then get off of YouTube. Take the criticism if you want to put out your opinions. People need to challenge your opinions because you're affecting other people. We have a First Amendment right. Section 230 is a weapon of mass destruction for your mind. It's the reason the election it turned out the way it did. It's the reason a vaccine is killing just as many people as the daggone virus did. And all they do is keep pushing it. Don't block people, guys.
Yeah, at some point
Let
you
people
have to
talk.
have a little type of moderation, like maybe not like totally kicking somebody out, but like, 'cause dude, I mean, you've seen the bots yourself, dude. Like they'll jump in your chat and just take over, man. Like, but there's a way you can fight
Well,
them.
yeah, when you have bots come in, that's different than being challenged on opinion. And I know you. I'm saying this because I know you're being respectful. You're just that way.
Oh yeah, I'm always
And
respectful, man.
I have this problem all the time too. And to be nice, you have to be critical. You know, you want me to come in and be all nice and sweet and forget about the importance of life so that way we can be pals? Or do we want to become pals because we're learning together? You know, yeah, there's spammers. They got to go. Block them. You can see them real easy. When they come in and put AMP or AMC 100 times or SafeMoon 100 times, yeah, get those guys out of there.
I was watching this one dude. I don't know what he was fucking trying to put out there, but he just kept spamming and spamming in this dude's chat today, and they just wouldn't get him out, dude. The guy wasn't even streaming. He just had his stream live, and he wasn't at the computer. But it was just going nuts, dude. The sentiment I was gathering today was like just a little good, a little bad. Mostly for the bad side. Like a lot of people are fearful right now, and going back to that crypto fear and greed index, man, I'm fully expecting this thing to drop down when the update comes tomorrow, probably back toward 21 to 20, if not further.
Well, and that's the thing too. Like we keep saying, you and I keep talking on how to see this sentiment for watching this dip that's coming. because you and I are kind of watching sentiment together. You know, we're kind of learning it a little bit. So as the sentiment grows stronger, I mean, and somebody blocks you out because you're in there trying to talk to them, you know, how how much more is that going to get increased when these people start getting really upset when they see a 20-some $1,000 Bitcoin? You know,
I
an
don't know,
80
man.
cent
I'm gonna
ADA.
be pretty upset, you know, for a short period. You know, I'll buy whatever I
Yeah.
can, but I'm not gonna be too happy about it.
Now I'm touchy about that subject because I've tried to help by warning people,
See, even
and
even Bulldogs saying it when they're scared, I'm buying, dude. And I 100% agree with you, dude. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. This could be buying opportunity. When investors are too greedy, then the market is due for a correction, which we are currently seeing, man. So yeah, I'm all for it, dude. That's why I'm buying these dips right now to add on to my position for when everything starts to come back, man.
yeah, I mean, everybody keeps saying it's dipping, but a year ago I was buying the actual dip. So right now it's not looking really bad.
You're still sitting up from that dip, huh? And that's the
Yeah, I
thing.
mean, I'm good all the way back to an $8,000 Bitcoin.
Yeah, man, that's the thing. You know, once you've been in it so long, it's the way you trade crypto, dude. You buy and you hold it, man. You hodl it. And when you start seeing these dips 2-3 years down the road, you're not even concerned about it at that point anymore, you know?
Well, when you're buying Bitcoin at $3,000, right, and it goes to $64,000, and it's coming back down in the $30,000 range, you know, you kind of tell yourself, I wish I'd have bought more at $3,000.
Yeah,
So
you do, man.
the closer it gets back, man, if it comes back, yeah, I'll buy more, but I wasn't going to buy any at 40, 50, $60,000, but why not? If you're just getting in, I would buy at 50, $60,000 Bitcoin and ride it down to $20,000, buy some more because it's going to go over 100,000 this year.
Yeah, if it holds true to the white paper, man, which it always has. So that's why I keep saying, dude, I don't think the cycle's done with this year at all. I just think the whales are shaking the freaking market to get all the bullshit, cum rocket, and all these other bullshit tokens out the way because the market's becoming unpredictable for them, man. And that's one thing they do not stand for, bro. But
Yeah, but when you buy Cum Rocket and Safe Moon, Shiba, you know, right now you got what else you got? Uh, was it BitTorrent? You know, BTT, that's Tron, Justin Sun.
yep, that's trying, man.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the guy's an advertiser. That's the only. Everybody in crypto has been there for a long time. They stay away from Tron and all his stuff. They'll buy it on knowing how to read sentiment. They'll buy and sell and short it. So they're not going to hold it for a long run because it's just there for pump and dump.
Bulldog saying, buy the fear, sell the greed. Always keep some powder on the side. Yeah, dude, it's always a good idea to keep some powder on the side. I 100% agree with you, man. Because like I said, I bought some Ethereum the other day at 20, right below 2,300, and I thought that was going to be the bottom for the week, and I was wrong. But I'm gonna continue holding, dude, and I will average down if that's not the case. So I am completely chilling with that. We got brand. Excuse me if I say it wrong. Brandant 2012. He said, been in AMC under $10 a share. I'm tapped out, cannot afford anymore at the moment. It's been a fun ride so far, dude. Nonetheless, if you can't afford anymore, dude, you should be sitting absolutely freaking beautiful right there, dude. Congratulations to you, man. AMC's been a long awaited play. I've been talking about it since January. And if you're holding AMC right now, dude, you should be ecstatic for tomorrow morning, dude. We had a ton of call options expiring the money. 411,000 options expiring the money. So we should get a nice, decent pop, dude. I'm kind of hoping we'll head up to retest the $70 range by tomorrow, dude. I'm hoping we get that type of move tomorrow. And along with all the other meme stocks, I think Bitcoin, BlackBerry, Cost, GameStop, even Mavis, Microvision. I think Microvision's due for a little pump come here Monday. So I think we'll head back to the $20 range on that. So we'll keep an eye on that one and see what's going on. But I'm eager to see what happens with crypto this week, man. I'm gonna be paying attention to AMC. I'm waking up pre-market nonetheless, but I think this is a make or break week for crypto, especially Ethereum, dude. Because June 25th, we have like 1.5 billion dollars worth of options that expire on Ethereum between 22 for the calls and 21 for the puts. So it's gonna be a big week for Ethereum, man, and I'll be keeping a very close eye on it. Yeah, Ethereum safe all day.
See Ernesto in the chat.
Definitely. Ernesto's saying buy She, buy Safe Moon, and buy BitConnect. Ernesto sounds like the BitConnect dude, man. He does, man. He can play it off perfect, dude. But Brandon, if you're not part of the channel, man, please hit the sub button, dude. We'll keep in touch. I also have a link to the Discord down below. Make sure you hop in there too as well, man. It's 100% free right now. So, but my honest opinion, ADA XMR will make the largest, safest gains in the next 12 months. Yeah, dude, I'm definitely actually the guy we're talking to, Snowman, on the line, dude. He actually got me into ADA, and I bought. Long story short, I bought Safe Moon a couple months ago, and it was like $100 worth, and I I had put it in one of my live streams, and we met because he hopped in my live stream to bash the hell out of Safe Moon. So it's been a funny experience ever since, man.
Yes, it has, Matt. Yes, it has.
Appreciate you, Bulldog, man. I'll catch up with you, brother. We'll keep in touch, man. Thanks for stopping in. Really appreciate it. But nonetheless, dude, what you thinking for crypto this week, man? Or you haven't really been paying too much attention to price movement?
No, I haven't looked at all.
The way
my wife said something to me this morning. She came to me and she's like,
are you paying
I think
attention?
it's trying to buy some more ADA. I was like, really?
Oh, yep. You see, dude, it happened again. The Discord link got expired. I'm actually pinned it to the top of the chat. Remember I told you I was doing that, Snowman? I don't know why, bro.
Yeah.
Like every stream, I have to go in and re-pin it to the top of the chat bar, which is getting freaking aggravating, dude. I need
Can
to
you pin it in the Discord chat?
No, I'm gonna pin it in the YouTube chat.
Can you pin it in the Discord as well?
Yeah, I sure will.
That way you don't have to go from. That way, if they already are in Discord, they can just go from Discord into the chat. They don't have YouTube to get in.
All right, guys, I got the Discord pinned to the top of the chat. Later, Bulldog. Appreciate you, brother. Brandon says, awesome. Thank you. I subscribed a little bit ago. I appreciate all that you do to support the ape community, man. It's all good, brother. I've been in AMC since January, dude. I'm just happy to see it finally come to fruition that, we were right. The numbers we were seeing weren't just us being crazy, dude. And I mean, look at that spike back in January compared to where we're at now, dude. And it's absolutely screaming bullish right here, dude. And come tomorrow morning, 4 a.m., I'll be waking up, probably purchasing a few more shares because I think this thing is absolutely going to rip come tomorrow morning. I think we'll see a pretty big day tomorrow. So, nonetheless, can't wait to see what happens. Easy fix. When you make the link, edit the link and create it to never expire. Got you, brother. Appreciate the tip, man. Because pretty much every stream I've been having to go back and change it, man. So appreciate that, brother. Let's hop back to Doge because Doge is just steady bleeding off, man. Steady freaking bleeding off.
What's the price of Doge?
26.33, man.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, dude. It's not looking too hot, man. I'm not even lying to you. Good for buying though. Great for buying. Anything you can buy right now is pretty good. You could probably get a little bit cheaper, man, in my honest opinion.
Yeah, I think for fun I might buy some there too.
Not like what I did for SNL, huh?
Yeah. Don't do that again.
No. I can't buy when I stream, dude. I get caught up in my emotions and then I get left holding the bag. Hey, but it's a good bag to hold, man. I think it only upped my average
Yeah,
by
man.
like a penny or something. So I'm still sitting tight with
Hey,
a 7-cent Doge average.
it only took the experience for you to get my words and saying, buy the rumor and sell the news. That's how crypto trades.
Well, we don't really have no news, man, unless we get the Tesla news. And
Got lots of news, man. Lots.
well, the Bitcoin news is actually not good for us right now, dude.
Yeah, you got Taproot coming for Bitcoin, and you got smart contracts coming for Cardano. You got 2.0 coming for Ethereum.
You do, and you know what? Nobody
got-
talks about that. Nobody talks about the smart contracts for ADA, dude, that are pumping out this summer.
Nope.
And it's like,
No.
dude, it's so quiet about it, and then by the time you hear about it, it's gonna be too late. You know?
Well, I mean, like we said yesterday, I mean, the other day, those guys did come out, and it was like in one day, everybody streamed about Cardano, like all the YouTubers I follow. Like, seriously, they did. And that's all they talked about pretty much, was mostly just the fact that smart contracts are coming. They didn't really touch base on everything that's already been happening in Ethiopia, much less what they've been on in Africa. So I don't know why people won't talk about it, man.
I don't know, man.
But
Maybe it's they want to keep it quiet. Who knows, dude? They might want to keep the secret to themselves until it blows up, man.
I mean, it could be to protect, the system till it's done in its test phase.
I'm eager to see if Ethereum 2.0 actually gets released in July, man. The next phase of it, because
if it does, it'd be buggy as crap.
Yeah, I think it'll help the price in the short term, though.
Oh yeah.
I think you'll have a bunch of hype. I already read, dude. There's a bunch of institutions buying into the 2.0, which is going to run, if I'm correct, should run parallel with the original Ethereum, and they'll work in tandem together.
Yeah, I mean, 3 years ago, I bought a ton of Ethereum just because of 2.0 coming and being able to stake it. I tried to get into the test part of staking.
The only thing I don't like is they're going to start burning coins. And pretty much what they were saying, they could get to a point where they're going to be burning more coins than they actually produce every year, which would help with supply and demand, drive the price up. But I don't know, man. We'll have to see how it goes. But Kid says I'm buying.
Hey, man.
Wait, what?
Yeah, go ahead and read that. I was going to say, hey, Kid, change the end of that to y'all to Matt.
Hey, I'm not a financial advisor, man. I'm just saying what I'm doing tomorrow. So, Kid, make sure you do your own research, man, and be very careful out there, man. Watching the dip just has. I got you, Kappa. Hell yeah, brother. But nah, man, dude, if AMC does what it's supposed to do tomorrow, given the numbers, given everything that I've known about stocks, AMC doesn't rip tomorrow, dude. I don't understand it, bro. There's so many call options that expired in the money. I haven't seen that many expire in the money on any stock ever, I think, dude. Like, that's just an amazing amount of call options expiring. And it's going to cause an endless feedback loop, dude, because as the price goes up, you're going to have more call options expiring in the money for next Friday. So those are going to have to get bought up and hedged for. It's going to cause the price to go up even more. And by the time Friday comes, if you close above 70, then you can have another pop come the next Monday, dude. And it's been like that for a while, dude. Every Monday it shoots up. They try to bleed it off the rest of the week till Friday. And Friday we closed at 59, and it's gonna shoot up probably another $10 up to $70, and then maybe bleed off, close at 65. But dude, I don't see it, dude. I think we're gonna blow past 70, man. And I could be wrong, but I think AMC is gonna have a great week this upcoming week, man. And along with all the other meme stocks. So we'll just have to see how that plays out, man. I'll be streaming tomorrow night, so we'll definitely find out if I was correct. I think you'll have a greater than 10% day on AMC. That's just my opinion, man. The way the numbers add up and everything. But I'll be waking up pre-market just to see what's going on. We'll have to see the short interest, seeing what's happening with that. I got, where is it? Stonko tracker. Let me exit that out. I had Ortex pulled up. Here we go. So on Friday, you had a little return on short interest, minus 0.882%. You're still sitting at 94% utilization. From 7 days ago, it was at 77, meaning that you probably had some shorts cover, some new shorts pick up. That's why it went up. And they're probably shorting this thing down from $77. Some new shorts. So you do have some shorts that are profitable at the moment, but I think that could quickly change come tomorrow, man. And shares on loan, 90 million. At the highest point, I think it was around 152 to 158. So it's still quite a bit of shares available to short this thing with. So I think lenders are getting pretty uneasy about lending these shares out. So we'll just have to see how that plays out. But nonetheless, tomorrow should be a great day for AMC. But yeah, man, we'll have to see how everything plays out, dude. Hopefully, crypto has a great week this week, and AMC does. I think Microvision due for a nice little pop. I might wake up and throw a little bit in Microvision, man, because honestly, on the 4 hour, I think we'll have a nice little pop right back up to around the $20 range. And if we can break through that, possibly look to head up to 21, $22. And ultimately, we'll go back to retest $24. Come here shortly, man, I think. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna probably go ahead and shut the stream down for the night, dude. It's getting late. I got work in the morning. Pre-market's only 5 hours away for me. You got any closing statements you want to add, Snowman?
Tonight. Thanks, guys. Appreciate everybody listening.
Yeah, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. I definitely appreciate each and every one of you, and good luck to everybody out there tomorrow and for the rest of the week. I hope everybody has some good trading, and we'll see how it goes. But if you need me, I'll be in the Discord. And Snowman, as always, dude, I appreciate you hopping on. Maybe one day we can get some more people from the Discord to hop in and talk some crypto with us, because I definitely like to get a feel, and that's why I do these live streams. I like to talk to the community and interact with them, and get a feel for, how everybody's feeling and get their opinions on everything, man. So, but nonetheless, appreciate you, Snowman.
Yeah, definitely.
And I'll talk to you soon, brother.
Thank you.
But